In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci retracement in Tradingview, and importantly, how to draw Fibonacci correctly with the golden zone settings. If you're new to Tradingview, or just need a guide to effectively utilize Fibonacci retracement levels, don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll start by navigating to the Tradingview homepage. Once you're there, click on Super Charts. It's a powerful tool that offers you a wide range of charting options and indicators to enhance your trading strategies. Take your time to explore its features, as this will be your main workspace. After accessing Super Charts, your next task is to identify the perfect spot or swing on your chart. This means selecting a significant high and low point on the price chart, which is essential for setting up your Fibonacci retracement. Picking the right swing can significantly impact your analysis, so look for clear and distinct peaks and troughs for better accuracy. Once you've pinpointed the ideal swing, you'll then turn your attention to the left-hand side of your trading chart. Here, you'll find a range of tools. Look for the Fib retracement option and click on it. This tool is integral because it helps you visualize potential support and resistance levels derived from Fibonacci sequences. With the Fib retracement tool selected, insert the Fibonacci on your chart by clicking and dragging between the swing high and the swing low you identified earlier. This action will overlay the Fibonacci retracement levels over your chosen market section, allowing you to analyze key areas where price might react and potentially reverse. After the retracement levels are on your chart, you'll notice the highlighted area known as the golden zone. This zone typically falls between the 38.2% and 61.8% levels and is crucial as it represents the Fibonacci retracement levels where price reversals tend to occur most frequently. This zone can be a trader's best friend, offering high probability opportunities for spotting upcoming price action. To further customize your experience, click on the settings option for the Fibonacci retracement tool. Here, you'll find a style tab where you can adjust the appearance of your Fibonacci lines and zones. Customizing these settings helps in tailoring the visibility to your preferences, making it easier to focus on critical levels during analysis. In addition to style settings, you have the option to explore both coordinates and visibility. These settings allow you to refine your Fibonacci retracement levels, exact positions, and ensure they are only displayed in market conditions that meet your criteria. By the end, you should have a well-marked chart and a solid understanding of how Fibonacci retracement can assist in identifying potential trading opportunities. Practice using these steps in your charts to gain confidence in recognizing key market levels and transform how you approach technical analysis in TradingView.